how to fix the NVIDIA installation error 0xe60000. Now, if you're getting this error message, then the first thing we need to do is go and open up the Start menu, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Windows Update. And this is quite an obvious one, but you need to make sure your computer is fully up to date. So press the Check for Updates button over here and just ensure you're running the latest version of Windows. Now, once you have done that, you can open back up your Start menu, go and search for Control Panel and click on this window. In the top right-hand side, make sure View By is set to large icons, and then you need to click on Programs and Features. Scroll down the list of applications until you find all of the NVIDIA apps, and you need to go through each of these and uninstall them from your computer. So you can do that just by selecting the application and press uninstall, and then you'll need to go through the steps on the screen to uninstall this from your device. Now make sure to do the same for any applications relating to NVIDIA, and once you have uninstalled all of these, you can then go and restart your computer. Now, once your computer's restarted, open up the Start menu, go and search for Task Manager and click on the window. In the search box, type in NVIDIA, and hopefully now you won't see any processes here relating to NVIDIA. If you do see a process here called NVIDIA, then just right click on it and make sure to select End Task. Now, once you've done that, we're going to open up an internet browser and we're going to type in NVIDIA app download and press enter. Click on the top website, which is the official NVIDIA website, and you need to install the official NVIDIA app. Just click on the Download Now button. Now, if you've previously been using GeForce Experience, then you want to go in and install this application instead. This is basically the latest and the newest version of the app, and it's way better and faster and includes way more features. So make sure you are using the official NVIDIA app, and you can try reinstalling this to your computer, and it should have now solved that issue. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.